Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to replace the AC condenser on a 2013, what is this, Outlander Sport. Okay, my daughter's AC went out, so we found out it was a condenser and the whole like radiator style unit condenser, and it goes right in front of the radiator. So we're gonna see if we can just remove it, slide the new one in, tighten everything up, and then get it charged at a shop. Okay, so this is a 4-cylinder 2.0 liter, and I believe it's kind of the same setup and style, a lot of the same things that they use on the Lancer, the Evo, and the Outlander and the Outlander Sport. They all pretty much use the same engine. I really don't know exactly, but compare it to yours and it should look very similar. Okay, so we're going to start by removing these clips, just getting the whole thing off here. Alright, so these just pop off with a little screwdriver, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's here on the side there's 5 and 6. Okay, and this whole thing just comes right off. So the main thing you have to remove is really this top bracket to get it out of the way, so you can go ahead and disconnect and remove the actual condenser. You see the condenser is right there. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's there. There, that's it right there. So actually, there's a little leak right here. Whenever we charged it with some R134A UV leak. So this is the low. There's a little L in there. So we're going to remove this. We're going to shake this some here. AC on blast. Light this up. See how that bright green. I was hoping we'd see some bright green down here, but we can't see it because it's on the inside. It's on the back side of this. So there's a leak here. Almost right in the middle. You can put some air like right here. We're going to start by removing some of the stuff out of the way. Like remove this out of the way, unplug this to get it out of the way, remove this, move it out of the way. Anything that's connected to this at all, anywhere, this here out of the way, this one here out of the way, this. Alright, so we got a 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10, 10, 10, 10. These here are 10s also, of course. And this one here is a 12 though, okay? Alright, so we actually unplug all the wiring here and remove the electrical plug here for the hood latch and the actual wire, the cable that connects to the hood latch, and then all the 10 millimeter bolts that hold everything in. Okay, so we removed all the screws up here, and there's still these that were kind of holding it down, holding it in. So I was trying to see if I can remove the grill itself, but it's easier if you just remove the bottom, or so I thought. This bottom cover here literally has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. About 27 clips at least. Okay? Alright, on the back side there's also these 10 millimeter bolts right here. These are connected to a sensor right here, and it's kind of a confusing sensor. It doesn't come off very easy, so just remove the 10 millimeter. It's easier. Put it to the side. There's another one on this side. And this is some kind of a temperature gauge or something. And then this, remove this one also. I removed that one already. And then everything's pretty loose now. Let's see. Alright, one more. I don't know if this is also some type of a honk, but there's one on this side and there's one on this side. It looks like a horn, but I can't tell. Alright, so this is, I think this is 12 millimeter. Remove that last thing. Alright, it's out. We got all this space now. We're going to just pop this thing. It looks like it just have clips. It just has clips here on the sides, kind of holding it in. So we're just going to remove the clips inside. Pull it out. Okay, so there's two places where There's also 10mm screws that hold on the line, the freon line. One on top and one on bottom down here. It's this line. Once, and then this line will come right off. Alright, so here, these levers just pop them off like this. Once everything's separated, you can just kind of put it there, and pop it off. And it should pop right out now. Move that little wire there. Ta-da! Alright, so that's the old one. That's the new one. You want to make sure they're identical. Remove any pieces from the old one, like that little clamp right there, and probably goes in the new one. Maybe that little clamp also on top. Just two little clips that need to be moved to the new one. Okay, so this doesn't have the screw to tighten in, but you can see here it has like a little star, and I could fit, what is that, a 532s in there, and I was able to turn it. So you gotta remove these and transfer them to the other one also. Yay. Alright, we got the new one in. The best way to put it in is really to remove these clips. These just come right off, right? These just actually pop right off. Let me take one off so you can see. See? So remove the top, both of the top ones, push them in just exactly straight, and it'll clip down there. Can you see down there? It'll clip there and there. And then you can just clip the top one and clip the other top one. Boom. And that's held on. So now we remove the plugs here and start connecting everything again. Okay, so I'm pretty much putting everything back on. Clips, connections, the sensors over here on this side, and then once everything's kind of in set, I'll start putting these screws and won't tighten them down until everything's screwed in. Then I'll tighten everything up at once. Alright, everything's pretty much on, bolted. Don't make it so tight yet. Just make sure everything's tightened up with the ratchet. Alright guys, so that's it. Everything's reconnected. Now we're just gonna charge it up with a little bit of freon, see if we can get it to cool down some, and then take it to an actual shop so they can actually vacuum like all the air out and put it with put new freon in there at all, for sure. But all set. I will say that bottom cover that was in there that had the 27 clips on it, you don't have to take it off. There's two screws that were down there that kind of made it easier, but not impossible. One thing that, I wish I would have left this thing off, but there's a little cover here. I don't know if you saw it earlier. That thing really helped when you removed it, but you have to really kind of push it and wiggle it and move it and just jam it out. Okay, once you got that out, then that was a lot easier to work in here. So the thing is, there's a leak here. It's not good. But the actual AC did turn on. See, the compressor turned on now. And the gauge is going, but it's not enough. Okay, so you can't tell on the video, of course, but you can feel some cooler air come out here. So it actually feels pretty cool. I think driving her around a while might feel good.
It's better than like
Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, actually it feels really good. It feels like regular AC now.
Yeah.
Alright guys, awesome. It worked out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of these other videos that I got too.